What happens if a species is given every comfort, food, shelter, safety, with no challenges? This question led American ethologist John B. Calhoun to a startling experiment in 1970. Calhoun created an ideal environment for rodents: unlimited food and water, safe housing, no predators. He started with just 4 breeding pairs and watched what happened. At first, the population grew quickly. The environment supported rapid reproduction. The colony seemed to be a paradise: food, comfort, peace. But then, gradual changes began to appear, almost invisible at first. By day 315, the colony's behavior shifted dramatically. Day 315, reproduction rates fell. Social structures began to break down. Violence increased. Some became withdrawn and isolated. Others developed abnormal, obsessive behaviors, signs of mental distress. Mothers neglected their young. Infanticide and abandonment appeared. There were even reports of cannibalism, the colony unraveling from within. All this in a place where nothing was lacking. Calhoun called this collapse the behavioral sink. Despite abundance, the social fabric collapsed, purpose eroded, some became purposeless, neither fighting nor mating, just eating and sleeping. Existence replaced engagement. The decline continued until the colony failed to sustain itself. The last surviving mouse was born around 2 years after the experiment began. After that, there was nothing left: no predators, no disasters, only extinction. Calhoun repeated the experiment 25 times, each time the same result. Every repeat produced the same pattern: a society of excess that collapsed from within. This raises difficult questions about comfort in human society. If conditions for survival are perfect, does that guarantee thriving? Or do we need purpose, struggle, and challenge to stay healthy as individuals and societies? Comfort can breed passivity, easy living without meaningful goals. By contrast, purpose and cooperation energize communities. Calhoun's findings are not a direct model for complex human societies, but a warning signal. We seem to need meaning and challenge to stay psychologically robust. A spiritual perspective also addresses provision and restraint. Here is a translation of a related verse from the Quran, Surah Ash-Shura. "And if Allah were to enlarge the provision for his servants, they would surely commit excesses on earth. But he sends it down in due measure according to what he wills." Surah Ash-Shura, 42:27. The verse suggests measured provision may protect against excess, a balancing principle. Purpose, measured needs, and community engagement help sustain healthy societies. Calhoun's experiment warns, abundance without purpose can corrode social bonds. We must ask how to cultivate resilience, meaning, and healthy social structures. What do you think? Are comfort and safety enough for long-term flourishing? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read them. If you found this thought-provoking, subscribe to True Life Relay for more science and psychology stories. Like and share to help others think about the balance between comfort and purpose. Sources are linked in the description: Calhoun's Behavioral Sink Experiments and reference translation. Music is copyright-free ambient piano. Details are below. In the end, purpose matters as much as provision. Thanks for watching. Watch another video to keep exploring ideas about society and the mind.